The Lost Princess. Long ago, in the peaceful kingdom of Ajat, there lived a kind and beautiful princess named Princess Savior. She had long, shining pink and gold hair and was loved by everyone in the kingdom. One bright morning, while picking beautiful flowers near the edge of the royal garden, Princess Savior wandered too far into the mysterious whispering forest. Suddenly, a thick magical mist surrounded her, and she lost her way. When the princess did not return, the king and queen became worried. Brave knights searched the forests, rivers, and mountains, but no one could find her. Far away in a small village lived a brave young boy named David. When he heard about the missing princess, he decided to search for her. Carrying only a lantern, a map, and his courage, he entered the whispering forest. Along the way, David helped a wounded bird, rescued a trapped deer, and shared his food with an old traveler. Unknown to him, the old traveler was a powerful wizard in disguise. The wizard smiled and rewarded David with a magical glowing compass that always pointed toward those with a pure heart. Following the compass, David reached an ancient castle hidden deep inside the forest. There he found Princess Savior trapped behind a magical crystal barrier created by an evil sorcerer. David bravely faced the sorcerer. Using courage, wisdom, and the magic of the glowing compass, he broke the crystal barrier and freed the princess. The evil sorcerer disappeared, and the dark magic over the forest faded away. David safely escorted Princess Savior back to the kingdom of Ajat. The king and queen welcomed them with great joy, and the entire kingdom celebrated the princess's return with music, dancing, and fireworks. To thank David for his bravery and kindness, the king honored him as the royal guardian of Ajat, and he became one of the kingdom's greatest heroes. From that day on, Princess Savior never forgot the courage of the young boy who rescued her, and the people of Ajat lived happily in peace. Moral: courage, kindness, and helping others can lead to the greatest rewards and the happiest endings.